Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to create the photo collage in this device. Okay, this is very simple. For this, open the shortcuts application. Now tap on the option gallery on the bottom right tab. So here just search photo. Okay, so here you can see the option photo grid. Tap on this one. Now we need to add this photo grid shortcut to our shortcut. Tap on add shortcut. Now go back, tap on shortcuts on the bottom left tab. Now you can see the photo grid shortcut is added to our shortcut application. If you tap on this one, it will directly go to the photos application, and from here you need to select the application that you want to make a grid of photos. So simply here I am going to select these three photos, tap on add. Now you can see three photos you can see here, tap on done. Again I am going to make another photo grid. So here I am going to select 4, tap on add. You can see 4 photos you can see here. So in case if you want to save this photo collage to your device, tap on the share button on the bottom left tab. Now tap on save image. So it will directly save to your photos application. So simply without a third-party application, you can easily create the photo collage or grid of photos in your device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.